How are you, YouTube? George here. Hope you're well. And we're back here again with another madness. Okay, so I have these two 2950s here. Okay, these were in that pile of stuff I bought last year. I've pulled a few bits off this one. I had people looking for knobs and stuff like that. So this one has a busted display. This one receives okay, but we have no transmit because somebody pulled the finals out of it, and these coils here are very fried, and the power socket is shagged. See, you pull the pins out of it. So this got very hot. You see down here by that relay and the cap beside it, this thing was rightly smoked, whatever went on. So the plan is I'm going to take the front off this one and put it onto this one, because this one is more complete inside. You can see the difference with the coils there. It's not been smoked. Someone done a strange edition backup battery. Well, it's nothing strange, I suppose, about doing it that way. It works, but it's just a bit bulky. So what we're gonna do, as I said, is we're gonna swap over the fronts, which is a handy enough job on one of these because everything just unplugs. So we're going to do that and see how we get on. Alright then, so we have the front swapped over, and as you can see, it works. 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. Hello radio. So working fine. That's the Roger beep. Yeah, so happy days. So we can go through a few things now and make sure everything is tickety-boo, and we'll clean up the bezel and put on the best one of the two and see where we go from there. Result, I might see, can I get a new one of these? I know you can get these. They go a bit yellow with age. Let's see what this one's like. This one's a bit better. It's better than that one anyway. So we'll try cleaning them up and see what happens. And no doubt there may be a bit of bodgery going on here and there. We might change a few things while we're in here. You know me, I can't leave anything alone. So I don't know whether to make this a two-parter or not. We'll see. But as it stands, FM variable power is fine. Let's see, you hear him. FM, AM, upper, lower. RF gain is that one. Yeah, it's working. Let's see. Need to be tuned and whatnot, but 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. Hello, 1 2 1 2. I always hated these Ranger meters. They look crap. Display looks a bit gammy on the camera there, but in real life it's fine. You can see it from all angles. Anyway, onwards. So, there we have it. We've been through it all, and as you can see, we changed the display from orange to green, and we done these as well. Changed there's a little board like that. We've changed all the LEDs from orange to green, or yellow to green, whatever. Secret sauce, all new screws, the usual carry on, and we sharpened up the contrast on the LCD display while we were here. Just made it a little bit darker. There's nothing going on 11 meters, so I'm having a route around on 10 here. A small bit of activity, but the grey line has gone over, so it's that time of the evening. No, it's gone. There was a couple of Spanish stations on 510 there for a while, but yeah, it turned out nice, and we tuned it and went through it all and done all the usual carry on. New screws there, and also in the bottom for the speaker, all new. It's not. No, they're back. Whoever they're talking to, I can't hear them. Like, it's not the mintest of a radio, but I'd give it a 6.57 out of 10. And it works spot on. Done the little green lines on the knobs here. You could go mad and put a decal on it, but anyway, it's all done. All it needs now is a new owner. If you're interested, give me a shout on Facebook or send me an email to there. Anyway, we'll leave it there for now, and we'll get you in the next one. Bye bye.